Hello. I am Hitoshi. Thank you for always coming to my channel. Today, I would like to review the basic to apply for permanent resident. Permanent resident is the highest status of residence in Japan, and it is defined as a permanent residence granted by the Minister of Justice. Under the current law, permanent resident status is not granted immediately upon arrival in Japan. To apply for PR, how many years are you required to stay in Japan? If you are the spouse of a Japanese national or permanent resident, you must have been married for at least 3 years and have lived in Japan for at least 1 year. Even if your status of residence is engineer, specialist in humanities, international services, etc. If you have been married to a Japanese national or permanent resident for at least 3 years and have lived in Japan for at least the last 1 year, you are eligible. If you are living in Japan with a resident status of long-term resident, you must have lived in Japan for at least 5 years. In case of other status of residence, residing in Japan for 10 years or more, and residing in Japan for the last 5 years or more with a status of residence that allows employment. Note: excluding technical intern training and specially skilled worker 1. Having a stable income or reasonable assets. The applicant must have a stable income and assets necessary to live in Japan. Even if you do not have a stable income, if your spouse or parent living with you has a stable income or assets, you may be able to obtain a permanent residence permit. However, if you are on welfare, it will be very difficult for you to obtain a permanent residence permit. Having a good conduct. The applicant must not have been sentenced to a fine or imprisonment. The applicant has fulfilled her official obligations, payment of taxes, public pension and public medical insurance premiums, and notification as stipulated in the Immigration Control and Refugee Recognition Act. In addition, the applicant must be living a life that is not socially reprehensible as a resident in daily life. The duration of your visa. The duration of the current status of residence must be 3 or 5 years. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you.